quero. Eu quero. Ay, qué culpa nada aburrido. 아이고. 아이고. 아이고.
Hi everyone and welcome back to Cirque channel. And if it's your first time here, I invite you to subscribe to my channel now. My name is Andrii Lytvak and you're watching the new episode of Live Behind the Scenes of Cirque du Soleil. And before continuing, I want to say a big thank you for the sponsors and followers that support my channel. All your activity in the way of donations, likes, views, comments, and subscription is a great feedback and support for my channel. And to see my videos more creative and more regularly, I would like to invite you to become a sponsor by clicking link here or the one in the description. Thank you and continue watching.
Papoleta! Ay, Papoleta! Alla Medici! Alla Papoleta!
Please support my channel by clicking like and comment for this video. And if you want to see any other fun videos like Cirque du Soleil challenges, you can click the link here or the one in the description. Thank you, and be calm and stay physically active with us.